Panduit ES2P PDUs, essential to power. Designed with precision and a customer-first approach, these PDUs deliver reliable power solutions for data centers and edge environments. Panduit offers a comprehensive range of PDUs, from essential basic models to advanced MSBO PDUs. Monitor incoming power, track outlet-level power consumption, and control outlets remotely, all with unparalleled efficiency. Unbox the Panduit ES2P PDU, a scalable, secure, and reliable power solution. It's the perfect blend of performance and cost-effectiveness for data centers and edge deployments. With a sleek, low-profile design, the Panduit ES2P PDU offers advanced technology, including hot-swappable modules, USB ports, hydraulic magnetic circuit breakers, power and energy metering, and plug-and-play sensors. With 18.4mm mounting buttons, you can achieve a tool-free installation for both vertical 0RU and horizontal 1RU units in no time. Its versatile design integrates seamlessly into both Panduit and third-party cabinets. Setting up Panduit's plug-and-play digital sensors is just as easy. Simply attach the temperature and humidity sensors to the PDU and cabinet door, and they're ready to go. These sensors seamlessly communicate with a controller, enabling effortless monitoring of critical environmental metrics and ensuring reliable performance from the start. Powering up your Panduit PDU is simple. Just connect the power cord and the LCD screen will guide you through the startup process, displaying a real-time status bar as the operating system loads. Panduit ES2P PDU is equipped with a hot-swappable intelligent network controller, featuring its own IP address and an intuitive web interface for seamless connectivity. You can connect it to your LAN for effortless monitoring and configuration. After the first login, you will be prompted to set a new password for security reasons. Next, configure the static IP address by navigating to Settings, Network. On the Network page, scroll down and select Manual Mode in the configuration section. After that, you must reboot the PDU for the configuration changes to take effect. To reboot the PDU, navigate to Settings, System Management. Scroll down, select Reboot Management Interface, click Apply, and wait for the system to restart. After reboot, the new IP address will be displayed on the PDU. You can always navigate to Admin, User Account in the top navigation bar to change your password anytime. The ES2P PDU comes with a 5-year replacement warranty. It's the smart, long-term choice for power management. Scan QR code to register for additional 2 years warranty. For more information, please visit panduit.com.